Hey YouTubers, this is Michael Steinmetz here. Today, we're about to unboxing the Doctor Who and the King's Demons and the Five Doctors. This is a box that came from a United States Postal Service. I just got the wrong address. I do that something very wrong when it happens. Came from Who's North America. See? I like Who's North America. She'll open up with this. She'll turn it around. Open up with the scissors and cut this and cut those tapes. Here we go. And here we go. Next tapes. Hold on. Open it up. Open this up and see how it is. There's the receipt for it. Cool, huh? Alright. Here it is. We have is the King's Demons and the Five Doctors 25th Anniversary Edition. It's very cool, isn't it? Let's open it. Here's the King's Demons on Doctor Who. It's a BBC purple logo. Here's Peter Davison, the 5th. There's the King, the Chameleon. There's the Master, Anthony Ainley. This is a good one. I seen it before, or I never seen that one before. I should watch this. It's the story number 129. The King's Demons. It's DVD extras, audio commentary by Peter Davison. It's very cool, isn't it? And there's blah 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 blah. There's photo gallery and isolated music and PDF materials. It's written by Terence Dudley, Peter Davison, Jenna Fielding, and Mark Straxon. And producer by John Nathan Turner. And incidental music, Jonathan Gibbs and Peter Howell. It's very cool, isn't it? Let's open it up. Here it is. The Keen's Demons disc. See, approximately 50 minutes and 42 minutes of extras. And here is the 5 Doctors 25th Anniversary Edition. Look at these 5 Doctors. And here we go. Very cool. Very cool, isn't it? There's Peter Howell, John Nathan Turner, Peter Muffet, Terrence Dix, and originally transmitted November 25th, 1983. Oh! Originally transmitted March 15 to 16, 1983. It's Keen's Demons. Alright. Very cool, isn't it? Now let's open it up. Alright. There's disc 1. Approximately 90 minutes and 79 minutes of extras. Disc 2. Approximately 101 minutes and 88 minutes of extras. It's very cool. Just got the Keen's Demons and the 5 Doctors. Might as well watch it right now. And this is Michael Steinmates, and I hope you enjoy the video. See you next time for those collections I have. See you next time.